Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2023 Chevy Bolt. On this vehicle, I'm going to show you how you get into the vehicle if your 12-volt battery happens to be dead or your key fob battery is dead and you have no access to be able to get in. You can see that we can't see a keyhole here and say our push buttons don't function because this is dead or the 12-volt battery is dead. Well, we do have a manual key option. And to gain access to that, we press this little tab here, and then you're able to pull out the manual key. Now with that key out, on this cover, this is your left front door, there is a little indent on the bottom here, and you can just put the key in and be able to pop this up. So then now we have access, we have a key slot. Turn it to the right, that unlocks. Turn it to the left, locks your car. So we just turn it to the right, that will unlock the lock, and then we will now be able to open up our door to gain access to the interior of the vehicle. That's how you would be able to get into your vehicle if your key fob battery is dead and or your 12-volt battery is dead. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.